Live from the Fastener TV studios, it's In the News with Fastener News Desk.
Thank you, Chris. I'm Lisa Kleinhandler, Editor-in-Chief at Fastener News Desk. It's In the News the week of September 12th, 2022. Here's what's happening in and around the fastener industry this week. The International Manufacturing Technology Show, IMTS, began in Chicago today and will run through the 17th. The Pac-West Fastener Association's 2022 Fall Conference kicks off on September 14th and runs through the 17th in Denver, Colorado. Go to pac-west.org for more info. And in fastener news, the August seasonally adjusted Fastener Distributor Index bounced back nicely from last month's sub-50 reading, increasing back into expansionary territory at 52.6. This was consistent with a still very positive FLI reading last month. Demand commentary seemed to suggest further slowing ahead is likely. However, with commentary noting customers are pushing out deliveries and trying to preserve cash in some cases. Pricing remained fairly stable with last month and still at elevated levels. Looking forward, the forward-looking indicator retracted to just 47.4, however, as respondents remained overall cautious. ThreadHeads and Fastenerds, don't miss the fully threaded radio special report from the MWFA Fastener Week 22. Hear all about this year's tabletop show, golf tournament, and lead-up events. Get the lowdown at fullythreaded.com. Episode 180 is scheduled to drop this week. And Bulten has been nominated as a supplier of fasteners for a new global electric vehicle platform to be produced in China. The order is valued to be estimated at approximately 155 million Swedish krona per year at full production. Bulten Group is a leading global manufacturer and supplier of fasteners to the automotive industry, as well as other industries such as consumer electronics. In fastener acquisition news, Big Bolt, one of the largest specialty fastener manufacturers in the U.S., announced that it has acquired Delta Secondary LLC, an Illinois-based manufacturer of fasteners and provider of secondary services. Delta is a leading regional supplier of a broad array of fastener solutions for a variety of industrial segments. Headquartered in Illinois, Delta provides fast-turn manufacturing and key secondary services such as cut, chamfer, drilling, tapping, turning, milling, slotting, grooving, and thread cutting. Delta's products are supported by distributors nationwide. Big Bolt is investing in Delta's operations to create capacity to handle further growth. In addition, Delta's team brings significant fastener manufacturing experience and capabilities, which enables both organizations to optimize operations, resulting in additional speed to service the industry. Supply chains will get another monkey wrench thrown their way as U.S. freight railroads will reduce service effective today ahead of a possible strike on September 16th after the country's two largest rail unions failed to agree on a new contract this week. The developments were confirmed in a statement from the Association of American Railroads. The 5 U.S. Class I railroads, along with more than 30 regional and short-line railroads, began notifying customers on Friday about the service cuts because they don't want to leave hazardous materials or expensive cargo abandoned on the trains across the U.S. if labor were to walk off the job. And if you haven't already done so, it's time to register for the 41st edition of the International Fastener Expo, which will take place in Las Vegas, October 17th through the 19th. The International Fastener Expo is the largest B2B expo of industrial fasteners and tooling and machinery in North America. Since 1981, the event continues to bring together the manufacturers and master distributors of fasteners and other related products and services with distributors and sales agents in the entire supply and distribution chain. IFE exhibitors with more than 300 companies already registered, space is running out to exhibit at this year's expo. Don't miss your opportunity to make an impact at the largest B2B expo for fasteners. And IFE exhibitors, it's game on. The Fastener News Desk Best Booth Awards return to the 2022 International Fastener Expo. The IFE will be sponsoring the Best Booth Awards that are pretty dang cool, from Trophy Smack. We're so excited to be back in person, we plan to immortalize your hard-earned victory with a professional-grade championship belt. This year, the overall Best Booth Award winner will claim the Best Booth Award's first ever customized championship belt. We can't wait to see your creativity this October in Vegas. Who will claim the title? For more information and to get registered for the event, go to fastenershows.com and use the FND discount code FND50. The International Fastener Expo will feature a keynote speaker. Dirk Beveridge will be the 2022 IFE keynote. Dirk is a visionary entrepreneur and founder of Unleash WD. Dirk has authored 4 books, including the best-selling Innovate: How Successful Distributors Lead in Disruptive Times. Dirk has recently published a new report, The State of Leadership Through Distribution. Over 200 executives provided an unprecedented look into how the nature of leadership is changing in distribution. Get the details on how to download the new landmark call to action report at Fastener News Desk. You won't want to miss Dirk Beveridge, your IFE 2022 keynote speaker. Register now at fastenershows.com. Registration is also open for the Fastener Training Institute's How Fasteners Are Made and What Drives the Cost of a Fastener. The class will take place at the International Fastener Expo. For more information and to register, go to fastenershows.com/FTI-class. And in manufacturing news, Manufacturing Day is weeks away. This year, the month-long celebration of Manufacturing Day will kick off on Friday, October 7th. Manufacturing Day is the biggest annual opportunity to inspire the next generation to start careers in modern manufacturing through a series of focused events to promote manufacturing to students, parents, and educators. Plan to open your doors October 7th or throughout the month of October. Get a helpful resource guide, toolkit, and all you need to get started planning your manufacturing day at mfgday.com. Use the hashtag MFGDay22 to share your event news. And in Fastener event news, join the Southwestern Fastener Association for the Southern Fastener Conference and Expo taking place in Oklahoma, September 28th through the 30th. For more information, go to southwesternfastener.org. The stories featured in this week's episode of In the News can be found at fastenernewsdesk.com or in our Twitter feed at Fastener News or on LinkedIn in the Fastener News group. Industrial products are comprehensive and purchasing them online can lead to poor customer experiences when utilizing faceted search. The Product Genius's grid technology allows clients to search, sort, and purchase hundreds of products from a one-page buying experience. Experience and demo fast fastener buying at 1-800-Fasteners.com. Product Genius Technology services also include data cleaning and preparation, consultation, and strategizing. Contact productgeniustechnology.com or call 1-800-Fasteners to find out how to get started today. If you'd like to share your company's events, news, or sponsor an upcoming episode of In the News, or you'd like to add to the Fastener Museum, contact me, Lisa at FastenerNewsDesk.com. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of In the News with Fastener News Desk. Until next week, be well, be safe, and keep it fascinating.